Hare Krishna, Nama Om Vishnupadaya, Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale, Srimati Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine, Nama Acharya Padaya, Nitai Kripa Pradayane, Gorakada Damadaya, Nagaragramatarine. So Hare Krishna, on behalf of ISKCON Malaysia, we would like to wish His Holiness Jayapataka Swami, our very dear Guru Maharaj, a very, very happy Vyasa Puja celebration. So Guru Maharaj has been affiliated with Malaysia since early 80s, 1983 to be exact. It was his first visit to Malaysia to solve a very big problem which occurred at the time. And it is at that time that we got the association of Guru Maharaj, and we had this very wonderful opportunity to observe him very meticulously solve the problem. And if ISKCON Malaysia is flourishing today, it is because of the hard work of His Holiness. So for this, we are ever indebted, very, very grateful to His Holiness. And as we know that, as a medical professional, what I admire most in, just now, His Grace Narugopal said his glories are endless, but maybe we can pick on just a couple of things. So what we most admire is his tenacity in the face of adversity. You know, even after he got the stroke, he was just the same. We all read the Gita, we all memorize the Gita, now we are going to write the Gita, and the second chapter especially is our favorite. But yet, how many of us have really shown, or how many have we seen show the realization? But Guru Maharaj has very perfectly demonstrated that he is not this body in every moment, especially after the stroke. So there are so many instances that he demonstrated this, but I'm not going to explain everything, maybe just a small one. Once we were in the rooftop soon after the stroke, and the people came, a very old Bengali devotee came up, walking all the way up, and he was waiting for Guru Maharaj. As soon as Guru Maharaj came out in the wheelchair, very few of us were there. He at once started crying, lamenting, seeing Guru Maharaj in this position. He was weeping, he was holding Guru Maharaj's feet. And Guru Maharaj just turned to me and said, "Why is he crying? I'm okay. Nothing wrong with me." And he has demonstrated in every instance how he is the same whether he was before or after. In fact, I went to Vrindavan Safari, I think it was somewhere late 2000, the first time the safari went to Vrindavan, just for a few days at that time, just to know what is Guru Maharaj's mood in Vrindavan, So just for that, I just took those 3 days off from my work, flew down to Delhi and was with Guru Maharaj. And to my surprise, I noticed he had that same Mahaprabhu mood even in Vrindavan. And this time, even when we went to Vrindavan, everybody said, now Mayapur has come to Vrindavan. So Guru Maharaj's, this mood of Mahaprabhu, I think is exemplary, and we all should follow it. And because Mahaprabhu is still unknown to many regions in the world, and so we have to, in order to carry out Guru Maharaj's mission, we have to spread this glory of Mahaprabhu. That would be the most pleasing thing for Guru Maharaj. So with this, since there are many other speakers, we would like to again thank His Holiness for all the good work he has done in Malaysia, especially the encouragement he gave us to continue this Damodar program, for which Malaysia is very, very well known. So he was actually the pioneer. He sparked it. He just came to Malaysia. He said, Kartik month has a special significance. You should light a lamp. Come on, do it. And we did it. And every time he asked, even the minute scores, he said, how many lamps were shown? How many? In every week, we had to give him a report. And his encouragement actually grew to such a great extent that now we are offering almost 500,000 lamps You know, it's a small country every Damodar month. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
হরিব। মালয়েশিয়ার পক্ষ থেকে শ্রী শ্রীমৎ জয় পতাকা স্বামী গুরু মহারাজের শ্রীচরণে আমাদের কৃতজ্ঞতা ও ধন্যবাদ এবং ব্যাস পূজার শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন করি। মালয়েশিয়াতে 80 সালের মাঝামাঝি যখন উনি পদার্পণ করেন তখন মালয়েশিয়া ছিল সম্পূর্ণভাবে সমস্যা সংকুল পরিস্থিতিতে। সেই সমস্যা সংকুল পরিস্থিতিকে তিনি কি সুন্দরভাবে সামলেছিলেন এবং তিনি মালয়েশিয়ার যে আজকের যে সাফল্য, সেই সাফল্যের সম্পূর্ণ কারিগর হচ্ছেন শ্রী শ্রীমৎ জয় পতাকা স্বামী। প্রতি মুহূর্তে তিনি আমাদের কাছে তার স্ট্রোকের পরেও আমাদের কাছে এটাই প্রমাণ করেন যে তিনি এই জগতের ব্যক্তি নন। প্রতি ক্ষেত্রে এমনকি বৃন্দাবন সাফারিতে আমি একবার যেতে চেয়েছিলাম, দেখতে চেয়েছিলাম যে গুরু মহারাজের বৃন্দাবনে গেলে ওনার ভাব কীরকম হয়। সেখানে গেলে এমনকি এবারেও যখন বৃন্দাবনে যখন গুরুদেব গেলেন তখন সবাই ওখানে বলতে থাকলেন যে মায়াপুর এবার বৃন্দাবনে এসেছে। পুনরায় গুরু মহারাজকে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করছি, কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন করছি মালয়েশিয়ার জন্য উনি যে অবদান রেখেছেন তার জন্য। বিশেষ করে উনি যে দামোদর যে উৎসব, দামোদর দীপদান, যা উনি সামান্যভাবে শুরু করেছিলেন তা প্রায় আজ 5 লক্ষ, মালয়েশিয়ার ছোট্ট দেশ, সেখানে 5 লক্ষ দীপ প্রদান করা হয়ে থাকে। হরে কৃষ্ণ। শ্রী শ্রীমৎ জয় পতাকা স্বামী গুরু মহারাজ কি জয়।
Thank you for watching our videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.